Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to another DIY Monday. Okay guys, I am coming to you all this morning with a DIY on some hoop wire tassel earrings, okay? Hoop wire tassel earrings. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this DIY. So let's get into it. Let me tell you the tools that you are going to need for this. You are going to need your round nose pliers, your flat nose pliers, your wire cutters. You're going to need 7.5 inches of 12 gauge wire. You're also going to need a piece of memory wire. Okay guys, sorry about that. So I want to tell you the items that you're going to need. You're going to need yourself uh, 12 gauge 12 gauge aluminum wire, 7.5 inches. You're going to need a piece of memory wire. You're going to need 2 jump rings, one medium one and one small one, a fish hook. These beads right here are glass beads and they are 6mm beads. So you're going to need some 6mm, and you're going to need a tassel, and you're also going to need some, these are 3mm or 4mm. They're really little. I think they're 4mm beads. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with making the body of the earring, and we're going to take our memory wire and we're going to make a loop, but we're not going to make a loop over, we're going to make a loop to the side. So we're going to come around and we just want to make a loop to the side. This is what it's going to look like, guys. Get my hand out the way so you guys can really see. I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and I'm going to squeeze it together as tight as possible. And this is what you'll have. And then I'm going to go ahead and start putting my beads on my wire. So I want to start off with my yellow beads first, the big ones, and then the small ones. On each side of your bead, you're going to do it opposite. You're going to do one big one, one little one, one big one, one little one. And I'm going to do this process, guys, and when I get down to the middle of the wire, I will come back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my yellow bead, then my small bead. So I have a total of, I'm thinking of 18 beads. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yellow beads. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not 18, it's 17 beads, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add on our tassel. And we're just going to put our tassel on like that. And then we're going to go up. We're going to go ahead and do this side right here the same way we did this side. And when I get up to the top, I will come back. Okay, everyone. So here, this is what we have so far. So the next thing we're going to do is we just make sure that you have both sides are even. You have the even amount of beads on both sides. And then we're going to come up to the top. I'm going to snip off some of that because it's still too long. So we're going to come over. I'm just going to snip that off. And then we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make another loop. Now the thing about when you're making your loops, you want to make one loop going this way and then you're going to make another loop going the opposite way of this one. So here's our loop. And then we're going to take our flat nose pliers and squeeze it in. And there we have it. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our small jump ring to close it up. And we will be done with the first part of the earring. As soon as I can get this to attach. Okay. And then we're going to close it. Okay. And then this part of the earring is done. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 12 gauge wire and we're going to make a loop and we're going to make a shape. Okay, bend that over like that, come up to the top, and we're just going to start bending it like this. And you know, I told you guys every time I make these, I always eyeball it. Okay. All right, so we're just going to take, now what we're going to do is we're just going to take and make a loop on this. I want to try to make sure it's at the top. So I am going to snip this off just a tad bit, like that, and then I'm going to bring it over a little more. And there we have it. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little gem here and put it right in there. So we're going to take our jump ring, open it up, and we're just going to attach these two together. And we're going to close it up. Came off. And last but not least, guys, the only thing that we have left to do is to put on our fish hook. And our earring will be complete. So we're going to go ahead and put on our fish hook. And close it up. And here we have ourselves a really cute pair of hoop tassel wire earrings. Okay, I want to thank you guys for stopping in and watching this video today. These earrings will be in my shop for sale. You guys have a wonderful and awesome week, and I will be seeing you soon. Have a good day. Peace and blessings. See ya.